The flea is a small wingless insect belonging to the order Siphonaptera, known for being parasitic on mammals and birds. Fleas are notorious for their ability to leap great distances and their role as vectors for diseases such as the bubonic plague. Despite their small size, fleas have a significant impact on both wild and domestic animals, as well as humans, through the discomfort they cause and the diseases they can spread. Physical characteristics: fleas have several unique adaptations that make them highly effective parasites. Size: fleas are very small, usually ranging between 1.5 to 3.3 millimeters, 0.06 to 0.13 inches in length. Body shape: their bodies are laterally flattened, which allows them to move easily through the fur or feathers of their hosts. Coloration: fleas are typically reddish-brown or dark brown in color. Legs: fleas have long, powerful hind legs adapted for jumping. They can jump up to 200 times their body length, making them excellent at moving between hosts. Mouthparts: their mouthparts are specialized for piercing skin and sucking blood. Once they find a host, they feed on the host's blood, which serves as their primary source of nutrition. Behavior and habitat: fleas are ectoparasites, meaning they live on the outside of their hosts, feeding on their blood. Hosts: fleas primarily infest mammals, including cats, dogs, rodents, and humans, but some species also target birds. They often live in the fur, feathers, or nests of their hosts. Jumping: fleas use their impressive jumping ability to move from host to host or to escape danger. Their resolin-rich leg muscles store energy like a spring, allowing them to jump great distances relative to their size. Feeding: fleas feed on blood by piercing the host's skin with their needle-like mouthparts. They inject saliva that contains anticoagulants to prevent blood clotting, ensuring a steady blood flow. Life cycle: fleas undergo complete metamorphosis, progressing through 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Eggs: female fleas lay eggs after feeding on blood. These eggs are typically deposited on the host, but they can easily fall off and accumulate in the host's bedding or surrounding environment. A single female can lay up to 50 eggs per day. Larvae: after hatching, flea larvae feed on organic debris, including adult flea feces, which is rich in undigested blood. Larvae are small, legless, and worm-like in appearance. This stage lasts for 5 to 20 days, depending on environmental conditions. Pupae: after going through several molts, the larvae spin a cocoon and enter the pupal stage. In this stage, fleas are highly resistant to adverse conditions and can remain dormant for weeks or even months until they detect the presence of a potential host through heat, vibration, or carbon dioxide. Adults: upon emerging, adult fleas begin seeking a blood meal immediately. Once they find a host, they can begin feeding and reproducing, completing the life cycle. Health impact on host: fleas can cause a variety of health problems in their hosts, from minor irritation to serious illness. Itching and irritation: flea bites cause itching, discomfort, and inflammation. In severe infestations, animals and humans can suffer from excessive scratching, leading to open sores and secondary infections. Flea allergy: dermatitis, FAD. Some animals, particularly cats and dogs, can develop allergic reactions to flea saliva, leading to intense itching and dermatitis. Vectors for diseases: fleas are notorious for their role in spreading diseases. The most infamous example is the bubonic plague, caused by the bacterium Yersinia pestis, which is transmitted by fleas from infected rodents. Fleas can also transmit other diseases such as typhus and tapeworms. Anemia: severe flea infestations, particularly in young or small animals, can cause anemia due to blood loss. Control and prevention: managing flea infestations requires a multi-step approach that targets both the environment and the host. On the host, flea control products, such as topical treatments, oral medications, and flea collars, can be used to kill adult fleas on pets and other hosts. These products often contain insect growth regulators (IGRs) that prevent fleas from developing through their life stages, i.e. the environment. Fleas spend much of their life cycle off their host, so it is essential to treat the environment as well. Vacuuming carpets, washing bedding, and using insecticidal sprays can help reduce flea populations in the home. Prevention: regular flea prevention measures such as monthly flea treatments for pets and maintaining clean living environments are essential in preventing infestations. Ecological role: despite their reputation as pests, fleas have an ecological role in the environment. Food source: fleas, particularly in their larval stages, are prey for other insects and small animals. Natural selection: By infesting weak or ill animals, fleas may contribute to natural selection by targeting individuals less capable of grooming and defending themselves. Fleas are small but powerful insects that have coexisted with mammals and birds for millions of years. While they are primarily known for their parasitic and pest-like nature, they also play a role in the ecosystem. Their ability to transmit diseases makes them of particular concern to humans and animals alike. Through a combination of treatment and prevention, flea infestations can be managed, ensuring better health and comfort for both people and pets. Thank you for watching, you guys.